Good morning. I'm about to get on my call. I've got a 10 a.m. call. I used to work with this client and we stopped working together. No hard feelings. Always keep in touch with your clients. Always keep the vibes high, you know, assuming nothing terrible happened, and they want to work together on some branded content together. So meeting with them, and then I'm starting my big production. So that's what this vlog is gonna be. Good morning, cheers, happy Tuesday. I need a hair tie. It's just gonna get in my face. It is day one of shooting. I really hope it's day only of shooting, but I have 9 modules of a course that I need to record, so that might be wishful thinking, but I am starting with the content that the brand is like directly involved in. So there's kind of like 2 modules that are really specific to the brand itself. I don't know if anyone cares. I've been using this foundation for years, the It Cosmetics CC Cream, and this is the time of year where I switch over to this one. It's the oil-free matte. Side note, I am looking for a vegan foundation though. I found out that this is not vegan, so that's not great. But anyway, I made a whole little filming schedule for us. Like I said, I'm really hoping that we can knock it out much faster. But I have quite a bit of anxiety, I'm gonna be honest, because there's like some other guy here, like I mentioned, and I do not do well recording with other people. Even like Norris, I don't particularly love that he's gonna be here helping me, but obviously I'm grateful for his help because I can't do something big like this by myself. But it just makes me nervous. Like I usually record just us. So I'm a little anxious about that. So anyway, we're gonna make the most out of it. We're gonna be positive. Did I tell you the news? I think I know I told you in my last vlog that I am going to be looking at some offices, or that I want to, and I am officially looking at my first one on Thursday. So stay tuned in this vlog. Let me stop talking so I can focus, and we'll carry on with the day. Hi.
Yeah. Typically, how much of your desk do you usually show?
It might be easier if I set it up a little bit forward. Guess how long it took me to start crying? Yeah, 30 minutes. Good morning, happy Wednesday. I had my accountability call this morning. I worked so late last night. I was working until like 11:30, shooting the content, the project that I'm working on. I'm gonna be honest, did not go as planned, and I'm trying a different approach today. It's fine, we're professionals. I'm a professional most days, and I'm just gonna get it done. So what I'm doing is I'm scripting the content so that I can read off teleprompter. It's a long story, but it just wasn't working when it was not scripted. Anyway, I am writing these scripts. Norris is helping me with some as well. He's being a champ this week and really being my right-hand man, so love that. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can written in an hour so that I can come back. I have a webinar I'm gonna do today, and then after that I'm gonna record. So it's gonna be a night shoot just because it's easier to control the light. I actually have not gotten my hair, like went to a blow dry bar since I bought that thing that I showed you, that shark tool. I've just been doing my hair myself. I think I'm getting pretty good at it too. And the only reason I went to get a blowout today is because I needed to save time because I need to shoot this content tonight. Okay, I'm back. My hair literally, does it look worse than earlier? I feel like it does, but I'm gonna fix it in a minute. I'm just trying to finish up these scripts. I don't think I'm gonna finish them before the webinar. That's okay, I'm almost there. We're gonna shoot this course tonight. It's gonna happen. But in the last vlog, you all said that you did want more behind the scenes action. So I'm doing this open house for people who are interested in SMMA. It's not like a live class where I'm teaching. I'm just going over the offer. I'm just saying, hey, here's what SMMA is. If you want in, you can get in. If not, not. So it's kind of to the point, and it was really fun last time. Like, it was really high energy. So I'm getting ready. I've got an hour and a half. I'm going to start getting ready for that. What I had about 130 or 40 people signed up for it. I really just want people who are like seriously considering SMMA. That's why I had such a high conversion rate last time. But I was like, you know what? This is the last time I'm gonna do an open house, I think, for this launch. So I'm like, let me just send it out to everybody else. So what I did is I duplicated the reminder email and just sent it out to like my entire list. I excluded obviously the people who either have already taken SMMA or who are enrolled already. And then I excluded the webinar list because they had already gotten the email. So I just kind of do a game time decision sometimes before these calls. I'm really just trying to get through life today. I'm kind of on the struggle bus, but like, what is this hair? I mean, all right, I'm gonna start getting ready. I can't look like this. We can't have this happen. All right, I kind of fixed the hair. I think it's a little cute. And we've got 14 minutes until the open house. Still have like 2 scripts to write, but I think yeah, whatever. I'll deal with that after this open house. For now, let's go talk to some potential, wow, those words just did not come out of my mouth. Oh, this is not good if I'm already not being able to talk. For now, let's go talk to some potential SMMA students. That's what I was trying to say. Let's go. Hello, Mona. Mona is here with all caps. Oh my gosh, yes. Happy Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. Angelique says, you're iconic for bringing all of us together from all over the world. So cool. Thank you. You're iconic. And yes, it is super cool to see just how many people, where everyone's at. It's really, really great. Okay, here's the filming layer at 8 p.m. Whoa, at 8 p.m. Here's what it looks like. We got my lights in the back. The teleprompter, which I'm sitting here. I have not used teleprompter. I have not used teleprompter in a long time. And I'm sitting here and I'm like, wow, okay, this is gonna be fun to read because my eyeballs suck. I mean, I can read it, but it's fuzzy. Like, I can read it fine. Can we make that brighter or less bright? I wonder if I can read it fine. It's just like, it's like, you know, when there's like a ring or like a fuzz around thing. I think that's better actually.
But the font size is good.
I mean, if we can do it a little bigger, but we're gonna have to speed it up if we do that. Okay, thank you. I just picked up the iPad, I'm sorry. Let me look at, so I have my Camera Connect app here on my phone because I'm using the iPad as my monitor. That looks good. What do you think, Norris?
Let me see. Yeah, I think it looks good. Actually, can you look at the camera right quick? That's it right there.
Do you think we need to close the door just to eliminate any light from the window that's open over there? Like, you know, any movement? Yep. Just to be on the safe side. And noise, probably.
Yeah, but it looks good to me. If it looks good to you, it looks good to me.
I feel like I have more on this side.
You do.
People have no idea how tedious this is. You just sit down and shoot a YouTube video.
There it is.
Hello and happy Friday. I'm gonna remove the glasses because I think I'm getting some glare. I am having a chill day if you can't tell, but, well, not really. I've actually been doing a lot of work, but it's been an off-camera day and just really heads down, getting stuff done. So yesterday I went to see my first office space, which I was planning to vlog it, but the space was so small that it honestly was just like a room. Like there was not much to share, but I feel really good that I'm starting to look at physical spaces. Feels like progress. That space that I looked at, I actually looked at like 4 or 5 different units, but all within basically 2 blocks of each other. 2 in one building, 2 in another. Perfect location, literally perfect location. Could not ask for a more perfect location. Pinch me that the perfect location is in my budget, but the space is not ideal, not perfect, which is fine. I'm gonna keep looking, but it feels good to know that it's definitely possible. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my last vlog. I am thinking about getting a studio space, basically where I can do video projects, where I can invite clients in, where I can, you know, maybe do like podcast production and stuff. Not a rush, not a necessity, but something that I'm looking to do. So anyway, that's what yesterday was pretty much. And then I spent a lot of the day resting, to be honest, because I did so much filming and talking. I wrote a script in 24 hours for this video production. Today I have been, again, trying to recover and just writing some emails, doing some things. I actually just picked up my mail and I'm super excited. I got a signed copy of Your Website Sucks by Brian David Hall. He was on the YouTube channel for a video. I will link it up here, I think, if you want to check it out. He's brilliant, love everything that he does, and I'm super excited to read it. I'm going to save it for the plane actually, because the day after tomorrow, I'm going to San Diego for Social Media Marketing World. So I think I'm going to save that. It looks like a good size for a plane read. Like I feel like I can get this all read in a 5-6 hour flight. So really excited. Check it out. I'll link it down below as well. It's available on Amazon. Mine just came a little bit late because I ordered a signed copy because I wanted to be extra. Okay, so what am I doing right now? Norris is on his way home from getting his hair cut, and he is coming back here to help me shoot some B-roll for the course. That's a wrap, I think, for now. Love this little windbreaker deal. I've been looking for like a windbreaker outfit. Feels kind of 90s, 2000s. Like this is legit what little Latasha wore. This is a small for size reference. If anyone's curious, I'm like a 4 to 6 and I got a small. Okay, so I'm packing. I gotta figure out what I'm packing. That's kind of my Saturday.